आइए देखते हैं डीटीवी न्यूज।
Very special. Good morning to everyone. Andariki namaskaram. Nudana Samvatsara Subhakankshalu. Really very happy that we are entering the 2021. 2021 and 2020 taught us lot of lessons, and it was the year of pandemic, and because of the invention of vaccine, 2021 will be the year of protection. So I am very happy India is leading the world in the production of vaccines, and definitely Hyderabad is leading our country, and I am really very happy. And our Honorable Prime Minister also visited Bharat Biotech, and our Hyderabad has been recognized as the pharma capital, and more than 150 countries India is providing drugs during this pandemic. And Prime Minister's Atmanirbhar, previously we were importing the PPE kits, but per day now we are producing more than 2 lakh kits, 2 lakh to 3 lakh kits. And this pandemic taught us how to be healthy, how to follow our traditional food habits, and I should appreciate Raj Bhavan staff, starting from secretary to all our staffs. They followed the practice strictly, and they were role models to rest of the people, so that Raj Bhavan became a safe zone amidst the red zone. Even though situated amidst the red zone, Raj Bhavan became a safe zone because of the strict procedures and the precautions which we followed. And I am really very happy, and as I said, it was 2020 was a year of work from home, but 2021 will be a year work with happiness. And let us all pray God so that we are free from this pandemic this year. And definitely we have to salute our first line warriors and our scientists, first line warriors who safeguarded our health without taking care of themselves and their family. They dedicated their lives to us. So we'll take this occasion, 2021 New Year, as an occasion to salute and thank the first line warriors, and to thank our scientists for taking forward the message of vaccine to the world. And really we are all very much hopeful that India will be, maximum number of our citizens will be protected by vaccine. And 2021, whatever may be the difficulties we faced during 2020, let us all forget those difficulties, hurdles, and 2021 should be a very prosperous new year. And I have to say, so only when the backdrop, when they told happy, nowadays health and safety are more important. When health and safety is there, definitely happiness will be there. So that we are, as a family, Raj Bhavan Parivar, we all working together. And even in this pandemic situation, I should say, nothing could halt, even the pandemic could halt the programs and functions of the Raj Bhavan. So with the help of all our staff, we were not lagging behind in anything. We are moving forward. We had all restrictions, but all our activities were proceeding in a very successful manner. So I am really very happy, and I congratulate and thank you all for your teamwork and we'll have a very prosperous 2021. And as I said, this is an occasion to salute all our first line warriors. And again I am telling, please follow the safety procedures. Without following the safety procedures, we cannot prevent the infection of the pandemic. Nowadays, everyone asks me, since 10 months we are with this pandemic, and we have got rid of this corona. Now, I used to say, we only became fatigue. Corona didn't become fatigue. It's still there, still sitting beside us, sitting among us, maybe sitting in our hands. So only we are asking everyone to sanitize. So always be cautious. Corona, we have not got rid of corona. And another thing, they are telling that another new strain has entered, particularly Hyderabad. There is new strains. There are new strains. So be careful. Always follow the safety procedures, precautions, so that we are safe. As we became fatigued, you imagine the medical fraternity. 10 months, in the lockdown, we were in the home. We are safely sitting inside the house. At least for the sake of medical fraternity, let us reduce the cases. Let us be cautious so that let them be safe like us. So I really congratulate each and everyone. We look forward a very happy and prosperous 2021. Thank you so much.
History created by Shaheen Group of Institutions. Karthik Reddy has secured All India Rank 9 and is the first rank holder in Karnataka State NEET 2020 results. Muhammad Arbaz Ahmed has secured All India Rank 85 and is the third topper in Karnataka State. Shaheen Group has achieved exponential results in NEET exams. We are expecting 400 plus free government medical seats from Bidar campus only in NEET 2020. Admissions are open for long-term NEET repeater course 2021 batch at Shaheen Junior College, Charminar. Our academy are also at Malakpet and Aramgarh. Hurry up, limited seats available.